guys, today we're gonna play with. I found a grenade in the field last time, and it was like yesterday, and I forgot to show you guys. So yeah, it's like sick. I don't know how to use it though. I think I do.